Have you ever looked at the clock, looked around your room, and suddenly thought, didn't I already live this day? You wake up, check your phone, eat, study or work, scroll a little more, feel tired. Promise yourself that tomorrow will be different. Then tomorrow arrives, and somehow it feels exactly the same. If your life feels like the same day repeating again, you're not imagining it. Many people quietly carry this feeling. They don't hate their life, nothing terrible is happening, but deep inside, it feels like time is moving while they are standing still. And the strange part is, the more you try to escape that feeling by watching another video, playing another game, or scrolling a little longer, the stronger it becomes. So why does this happen? The answer isn't just boredom. It's something much deeper. Our brains don't remember every day equally. They remember change. Think about your last birthday, or the first day at a new school, or the first time you traveled somewhere new. Those memories feel clear because your brain had something fresh to notice. Now think about last Tuesday. Can you remember what you ate? Probably not. Because when every day looks the same, your brain starts using shortcuts. It stops paying close attention. It says, I've seen this before. And that's when days begin to blend together. It's almost like reading the same page of a book again and again. After a while, you stop seeing the words. Your eyes move, but your mind doesn't. This is one reason your life feels like the same day repeating again. But there's another reason that most people never notice. Many of us are always waiting for life to begin. I'll be happy after exams. I'll start exercising next month. I'll enjoy life after I get a better job. I'll feel confident when I finally lose weight. Without realizing it, we put our real life somewhere in the future. So today becomes nothing more than a waiting room. And waiting rooms always feel long. Here's something interesting. Psychologists have found that our brains love prediction. When everything becomes predictable, we stop paying attention. That's useful when tying your shoes or brushing your teeth. You don't have to think about every step. But when your whole life becomes predictable, something else happens. You stop feeling awake. Not because you're lazy, because your mind has switched to automatic mode. Have you ever driven somewhere and suddenly realized you don't even remember half the journey? That's called being on autopilot. Now imagine living months like that. You wake up, do the same things, think the same thoughts, worry about the same problems. Then one day you wonder where the year went. It didn't disappear. You just weren't fully there. And this is where phones make the problem even bigger. Imagine standing in a line for 5 minutes. Years ago, people looked around. They noticed faces. They watched the weather. Their minds wandered. Now, the second we feel even 2 seconds of silence, our hand reaches for the phone almost by itself. Those tiny, empty moments used to give our brain space to notice life. Now, they disappear into endless scrolling. The strange thing is, scrolling feels like something new because every video is different. But emotionally, it all starts feeling the same. Your brain gets hundreds of tiny hits of excitement, but almost nothing stays in your memory. That's why you can scroll for an hour and later feel like you did nothing. Because your attention was busy, but your mind wasn't truly alive. There's another hidden reason your life feels like the same day repeating again. You stopped expecting surprises. As children, almost everything felt exciting. A butterfly, a new cartoon, rain on a holiday, a random conversation. Not because the world was more magical, because we were paying attention. Adults often believe excitement comes from expensive trips or huge achievements. But attention creates excitement more often than money does. Two people can walk through the same park. One notices only the path. The other notices birds singing, sunlight through the trees, a child laughing, the smell of fresh grass. They walked in the same place, but they experienced two completely different days. Life isn't only made of events, it's made of what we notice. Now here's the part that can quietly change everything. Most people try to escape routine by making huge plans. I'm going to completely change my life. They create long schedules, big goals, perfect morning routines. Then, 3 days later, everything falls apart. Not because they failed, because the change was too big to become real. Instead, try something much smaller. Tomorrow, take a different road home. Sit in a different place. Read 10 pages instead of opening social media. Talk to someone you usually only smile at. Cook something you've never made before. Write one sentence about your day before sleeping. These tiny actions seem almost too small to matter, but to your brain, they're signals. They say, pay attention, something new is happening. And slowly, your days stop blending together. Another simple habit can help even more. At night, ask yourself one question. What made today different from yesterday? At first, you might struggle to answer. That's okay. The question itself changes how you live tomorrow. Because your brain starts looking for something worth remembering. Maybe it's a funny conversation, a beautiful sunset, a new idea, a mistake that taught you something, a moment when you laughed without checking your phone. Little by little, your life becomes easier to remember. Not because everything became exciting, because you became present. There's also something many people don't like hearing. Sometimes life feels repetitive because we stopped growing. Not growing faster, just growing at all. Learning one new word, practicing one skill, reading one page, trying one difficult thing. Growth gives time direction. Without it, weeks begin to feel like copies. But growth doesn't have to be impressive. Nobody needs to clap for it. Some of the biggest changes in life begin so quietly that nobody notices, except you. One more thing. Please don't think every day has to be extraordinary. It doesn't. Most beautiful lives are built from ordinary days. The goal isn't to make every day exciting. The goal is to stop sleeping through the ordinary ones. Because one ordinary conversation can become a lifelong friendship. One ordinary walk can become the day you find your best idea. One ordinary decision can quietly change the next 10 years. The future rarely arrives with fireworks. It usually arrives disguised as another normal Tuesday. So if your life feels like the same day repeating again, don't ask, how do I escape this life? Ask something gentler. What small thing can make today impossible to confuse with yesterday? That single question is often enough to wake your mind up again. And once your mind wakes up, life slowly follows. Remember, your days don't become meaningful all at once. They become meaningful one noticed moment at a time. Keep noticing, keep growing, keep choosing one small change. Because a different life doesn't always begin with a giant leap. Sometimes it begins with a different tomorrow. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing,